everyone, it's Hanny. I'm busy with making my own envelopes. Well, that's not very special, I know, but I'm making envelopes with protection in it. This stuff. I didn't have bubble wrap, but I had this stuff. And well, I thought I show you how I do that. I just make them of plain A4 paper and a piece of that stuff I showed you. I don't know what it is, but it's well, when you ordered something or bought something, that's in a box, and in that box there is this stuff for protection. Well, I think you know what I mean. And I just glue it on here, like so, with my fabric glue. I'll show you in a minute. Just put glue around the edges and a few dots here. This glue, is it? It's this glue. It's an unknown brand from the Action. That's a shop here in the Netherlands. Then I glue it on the paper, like so, and let it dry. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you have to cut that stuff a bit smaller, a bit smaller than the width of the paper you're using, of course, because you have to glue the sides, and you have leave a piece because that will be the flap. So and when you glue it on, you glue it until the bottom on here. You leave a bit of room those sides and room for a flap on this side. I will put the measurements, which I use, in a description box below. This is dry. I fold the envelope until here, because this is going to be the flap. Then I take my glue again and glue those two. Just fold it, push, and push, and let it dry too. Like so. Well, I have to wait a while because it has to dry, and when it's dry I just snip a few corners, not till the end, but a bit. I leave a few, well, half an inch or so. No, not half an inch, quarter of an inch. And then I just, and then I have this envelope. And when I will send something in it, I just glue this on, and I put, well, it's it's okay. So you see, it's very, well, it's strong. There's nothing going to happen with it. But when I send something in it, well, I put it in and I glue this. And then I put washi tape. Oh, I have it downstairs. Oh, I have another piece of washi tape. For example, this one. It's more the width. It's how do you call it? Well, it's not small. It's wide washi tape. And then I just cut it off because that's. And when I send it, I just do this. Like so, for extra protection, but you really don't need it, but well, and that to the other side too. So you have a beautiful envelope, like so. Well, you can decorate it in another way, of course, but I like it this way. So my parcels which I send will be protected. Well, that's what I wanted to show with you. Thank you for watching. Bye.